Life with Heather G, and I'm here with my Stitch Fix for January. This is my first one of the new year, and I am excited to see what I got. So let's go ahead and dig in. For those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription box where you pay $20 styling fee, and anything you keep in the box, you get that $20 back. They always send you the price list, which I don't usually look at, and they also give you cards that tell you how to style each item that you're going to get. Usually you have a note from your stylist. Oh, it's in here. Never mind, I forgot. It's on here, so I'm gonna go ahead and read that real quick. Hi Heather, happy Fix Day. I'm Enya. Oh no, I don't have my stylist. I'm supposed to have Nikki. And it is a pleasure to be styling your first New Year's Eve fix. I saw that you were in search of a nice camel coat, but when I pulled your fix, I didn't see anything that I thought was going to match your style. But I did try to find a couple of options to go with your beautiful earrings. Yay! I did keep those earrings for my December fix, and I did wear them on New Year's, but here's the thing. I asked her to send me New Year's Eve stuff, and my box was late. So nothing in here am I going to be able to wear on New Year's Eve since it's already passed. Anyways, she did try to find me a couple items for that though. I see from your feedback that you're a fan of animal prints, so I chose the 41 Hawthorne blouse that can easily dress up and pair with the skinny jeans and the black booties. Nice that you're a fan of since you're a fan of the Toms, I grabbed this pair of Tom wedge booties, which I have been looking for. Let me know what you think. So I have been admiring the Tom's wedge booties, so I am super excited to try those on. Although I just kept a pair of booties that were gray not that long ago. Anyway, let's dig in. I'm going to go ahead and do the shoes first because I see the shoe bag. And there it is. So let's see what they look like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Those are going to be hard to pass up. Dang it. That's really pretty. Oh, I like the detail. I mean, it's just kind of stitched. And of course, they're Toms. And a size 9 because I have massive feet. Okay, I can't wait to try those on. Okay. Next thing, I got a little bundle. Yeah, they always send you a little mailer too that anything you don't want you just put in there and throw it in the mail. It is so simple. Anyways, I'll go ahead and look at that. I see the leopard print in that green. The green is not necessarily a color that I go for, but, well, I do. But it's more like a bright green that I like than, in like a tealish green than that kind of bright olive, if that makes sense. Okay, first thing I see on top is, and don't tell me, it's the 41 Hawthorne. Yeah, okay. I did say to send something for New Year's Eve, and I'm thinking maybe this was what she was thinking, but it is literally 41 Hawthorne, but it looks like a sweater on the top and a button dress underneath. And I'll tell you right now, this is ugly. So I will definitely try it on, but that is not going to be cute on me. Anyways, another one. So she must have thought when I said New Year's Eve something that it was going to be dress up, which is fine. I would have wore this maybe. This is kind of cute. It is a dress from 9 Britain in a size large, and it is leopard print, and it has kind of like this cinched waist in the back and the ruching on the front. I don't know. It's kind of cute, but I don't wear dresses a ton. I was thinking more like a sparkly sweater and some booties or something cute. But anyways, I'll definitely the colors on that dress are fine. And I like leopard print. And here's another leopard print. And this is in green, which I like. Not sure. It's very see-through, so I'll definitely have to wear something under it. And it does have like these flouncy sleeves. Almost boho-ish. And this is also by 41 Hawthorne. So that is kind of cute. I'm not really sure. Oh, this is an extra that I got. It is just a tank to wear under things. Like almost like a sports bra tank in pink. And that was one of the extras. And then the last sweater that I got, this is cute. And again, I've kept almost every sweater lately, so, and I got a beige one last time, but this one is beige, but it has like these green stripes and like the curved hem at the bottom, which is really cute. And it is by RD Style, which I think I have another one. Actually, I have another beige one, but it's all beige in RD Style. But I think that's cute. I mean, I like the colors. I definitely think that's kind of cute. So I will go try these on and I will be back. Okay, I'm back with the first shirt. And I'll put the prices up on the screen as I'm trying these things on and what it is. But I do like this one. I have the same Edelman jeans on that I kept a while ago. So they were not from this fix. But anyways, I'll step back so I can show you. All right, I'm gonna go try on the next one. All right, here's the next one, and I really do like this one. It is a little tight because there's no give, so of course I always have an issue right up here, maybe a little bit in my arms, but it's super cute. So I'll step back and let you see this one. So I really like this color. I always usually do like green. It's a little bit, it's coming off brighter on the TV than it is in person, or the video than in person, probably my lighting. But it is really cute. Like, I really do like the style of this. I may have to go up, although I love these sleeves. Look at that. That is just so cute. Like, I really do like this one. I may have to increase the size though, just for the arms and this part, just because I don't want, yeah, I just want to be comfortable in it, that's all. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and try on that ugly sweater dress. Let's see what I think. All right, so here is the dress, and it's pulling right here a little, like per usual for me. So again, this is definitely that non-stretchy material that I would probably have to go up a size, but it's cute. A little shorter than I usually go, but not bad. I could not get the back buttoned up because I'm here by myself, but it's pulling here. I mean, I had to unbutton these to get it on, and then I buttoned them just for you guys so you wouldn't have to see everything, but literally the sleeves are okay. It's a little tight there too though. I don't know, it's a little tight, but it's cute. I like the style actually. I mean, I would maybe order this one in a bigger size. So I will come back with I think I have booties in that. I didn't do the ugly dress yet. I was gonna do that one and then I seen this one first. So I will try on the ugly dress now. Okay, so here is the sweater dress. Now you can't wear a white bra. You can kind of see it through there a little bit, but this one fits because it's stretchy up top, which is nice. But I'll step back and let you see the rest. So it's just, I mean, it's black. It's got like this little sweater cut off right there, and then it has like buttons at the bottom. So, I mean, it's just a plain black dress. And I do have the booties on. They're comfy. The Toms booties, which are super cute. But I mean, the dress is just, I mean, it's the dress. It's just black. So I guess, I mean, it would be nice just not for New Year's Eve. And that's kind of what I was asking her for, something to wear on New Year's Eve. I'm like, maybe you could dress it up. It is simple, it's black. I could probably use it. So I guess it's not as ugly as I thought, but I still don't know if I'll keep it. I will be right back with a recap. Okay, I am back. And so if I was to keep, okay, I'll just go through them real quick. So this one right here was a little tight, but I really did kind of like it. You'll have to let me know what you think, because I may get a different size in that one. This one, I mean, I've kept a lot of sweaters lately, and this is cute. I mean, I do like the stripes and everything, but I just kept two that are pretty much cream, and so I probably don't need that one. I probably won't keep it. Okay, I really kind of like this one more than I thought I would. Again, I would probably have to either have to lose weight again or get an extra large in this. So, but it is really cute. I like that. I like the color on me, and that's cute. So that might be a possibility to exchange as well if they have another size. Oh yeah, the booties, I still have them on. Oh, they're so comfortable. Yeah, they're just comfortable. I love these, in fact. So there's nothing else to say about those. They're nice. And then I do have, I didn't try this on yet, but just this, and it's $28 from Free People, and it is just a solid ribbed like bra tank to wear underneath the shirts. And I got it in this like nude color because, you know, if you can see through shirts, it's nice to have that. Anyway, so if I was to keep everything, and that is including that tank, it would have been $343.95. My buy all discount would be $85.99. It's my buy 5. So if I bought all 5 without the tank, it would have been a $343.95 minus the $89 or the $85.99. But then with the tank is $28. My buy all total would eventually be $285. And I'll just kind of show you that. You can kind of see how they add that tank in later. But then I do get a if you buy all 5, you get like $85 off. So if you like videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified anytime I upload a video. And I would love to see you again for more unboxings. Bye.